Hello friends, I'm Toto and I'm your friend. Welcome to the Radiant School online tutorials. Do you know all alphabet have sounds to it? Today we will learn sounds of some alphabet. So let's start. Let's start with the first set of alphabet. A. A says A. A as in alligator. B. B says B. B as in berries. C. C says K. K as in cat. D. D says D. D as in donkey. E. E says E. E as in elephant. F. F says fur. Fur as in fish. G. G says G. G as in gun. H. H says her. Her as in horse. I. I says I. I as in igloo. J. J says J. J as in jaguar. K. K says K. K as in kangaroo. L. L says L. L as in lychee. So today we have learned the phonic sounds of alphabet A to L. Wait for the remaining alphabet and its phonic sounds in next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you.